What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add payment methods in Shopify store. First, let's open our Shopify. Make sure that you are logged in. After that, navigate to the left side menu and click Settings on the bottom left of your screen. From here, let's go to Payments. As you can see, I have PayPal over here under Supported Payment Methods. Since my account is newly created, I haven't set this up yet, but you can set this up to have a PayPal payment integration. To add one, just simply click this Add Payment Method below PayPal. From here, you can search any banks or wallets by their method or provider. Let's say we want to search on this tab. Let's find PayMaya over here. Let's click this one. So now you can choose any provider that you want. Note that some might have additional payments. Let's say, for example, we want this port one since it has another 71 plus payment method. So let's click that. Now click install. Click install once again. And there you have it. You have port 1 installed on your Shopify payment. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.